Alright, this guy is ready to go pretty quick. This is a Dassault Falcon, made by Dassault. Big, powerful jet, which Dassault is known for. He's taking off uphill to the east. It's April 28th, 2023. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Maybe 2,000 feet ceiling and at least 2 to 3 miles visibility. And he's rolling, so this should be good. He's taking off going uphill, keep in mind. Big, powerful jet. Get that thing going, man. No rotation yet. No rotation yet. There he goes. That's pretty loud. Let's see if we can get him up here. I come in, he juiced that thing going uphill. He's about right about 2,000 feet, about right now. 2,000, maybe 2,500 feet. He's practically going straight up. That's at least 2,000 feet there. 1,500 to 2,000 feet. And he is gone. Clouds just swallowed him up. Bon voyage.